In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image, change the background color, and save your design. By the end, you'll feel confident making quick visual updates without digging through menus or guessing what to click. First, open your design. If you're returning to an existing project, just load it up the same way you normally do so you can continue right where you left off. Give the canvas a quick look so you know which elements you plan to change, especially the image and the background. This helps you work with intention instead of clicking around. Next, let's replace the image. Look to the left sidebar and find Photos or Uploads. Photos typically gives you a collection of available images, while Uploads contains the files you've already brought into your account. When you see the image you want, click and drag it directly onto the canvas. If your design has a photo frame or placeholder, dropping the new image onto that area will swap it in automatically. If it's a freestanding image, dragging it on top will place it exactly where you release it. Take a moment to make sure the new image feels right for the layout and the mood you're going for. A clean, high-contrast photo often reads better at a glance and keeps your design looking professional. Now let's adjust the background color. Click once on the background area to select it. You'll know it's selected when the top toolbar updates. In the top toolbar, click the color square. This opens your color options. Choose a color that complements your new image and supports the message you want to convey. Subtle, lighter backgrounds tend to let your content breathe, while deeper tones can make text and images pop if the contrast is strong enough. Trust your eye here. If the color competes with your image or text, try a calmer shade. When everything looks good, it's time to save your work. Go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. This will prepare your design for export and save a copy to your device. Give it a moment to process if your design is image-heavy. Before you close your project, glance back at the canvas to confirm the new image is in place and the background color is exactly what you intended. A quick visual check helps you avoid accidental exports with the wrong elements. That's it. You opened your design, dragged in a new image from Photos or Uploads, adjusted the background color from the top toolbar, and saved your updated file through Share and Download. Simple, fast,